पढ़ने जा रहे हैं मेथड्स ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर एप्लीकेशन पार्ट सेकेंड। तो पहले लेक्चर में बोला था मेथड्स ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर एप्लीकेशन पार्ट फर्स्ट, जो है ब्रॉडकास्टिंग, एंड इस लेक्चर में हम पढ़ेंगे प्लेसमेंट। तो ये मैंने लास्ट लेक्चर में बोला था कि ब्रॉडकास्टिंग, बेसल एप्लीकेशन एंड टॉप ड्रेसिंग, प्लेसमेंट, पोलोसल प्लेसमेंट, डीप प्लेसमेंट, लोकल प्लेसमेंट, बैंड प्लेसमेंट, हिल प्लेसमेंट, रॉ प्लेसमेंट, and pallet application. Placement, it refers to the placement of fertilizers in soil at a specific place with or without reference to the position of the seed. Placement of fertilizers is normally recommended when the quality of fertilizer to apply is small, development of the root system is poor, soil have a low level of fertility to apply phosphatic and potassic fertilizer. Advantage of placement: when the fertilizer is placed, there is a minimum contact between the soil and the fertilizer, and thus fixation of nutrients is greatly reduced. The weeds all over the field cannot make use of the fertilizers. Residual response of fertilizers is usually higher. Utilization of fertilizers by the plants is higher. Loss of nitrogen by leaching is reduced. Being immobile, phosphates are better utilized when placed. Types of placement: polysul placement, deep placement, localized placement. तो polysul placement, in this method fertilizer is placed at the bottom of the furrow in a continuous band during the process of plowing. Every band is covered with the next furrow is turned. This method is suitable for areas where soil becomes quite dry up to few centimeters below the soil surface and soil having a heavy clay pan just below the polysul layer. Number second, deep placement. It is the placement of ammonical nitrogenous fertilizers in the reduction zone of soil, particularly in paddy fields where ammonical nitrogen remains available at the top. This method ensures better distribution of fertilizers in the root zone soil and prevents loss of nutrients by runoff. Local placement. It refers to the application of fertilizers into the soil close to the seed or plant in order to supply the nutrients in adequate amounts to the roots of growing plants. Types: drilling, side dressing. Drilling. In this method, the fertilizer is applied at the time of sowing by means of a seed cum fertilizer drill. This places fertilizer and the seed in the same row but at different depths. Although this method has become found suitable for the application of phosphatic and potassic fertilizers in cereal crops, but sometimes germination of seeds and young plants may get damaged due to higher concentration of soluble salts. Seed cum fertilizer drill. Side dressing, it refers to the spread of fertilizer in between the rows and around the plants. Methods of side dressing: placement of nitrogenous fertilizers by hand in between the rows of crops like maize, sugarcane, cotton to apply additional doses of nitrogen to the growing crop, and placement of fertilizers around the trees like mango, apple, grapes, papaya, etc. प्लेसमेंट लोकल प्लेसमेंट साइड ड्रेसिंग। जो आप पिक्चर्स देख रहे हैं कि ये फर्टिलाइजर प्लेस करते हैं एट द साइड ऑफ द प्लांट। तो बैंड प्लेसमेंट के दो टाइप्स है, हिल प्लेसमेंट एंड रो प्लेसमेंट। तो आप जो लग देखते हैं पिक्चर्स, बैंडेड बी पार्ट प्लेस्ड इन अ बैंड बिसाइड द रोज। तो जो फर्टिलाइजर्स है वो डाला जाता है एट द साइड ऑफ द प्लांट। So hill placement, it is practiced for the application of fertilizers in orchards. In this method, fertilizer placed close to the plant in bands on one or both sides of the plant. The length and depth of the band varies with the nature of crop. Row placement, when the crops like sugarcane, potato, maize, cereal, etc. are sown close together in rows, the fertilizer is applied in continuous bands on one or both sides of the row, which is known as row placement. Pellet applications. It refers the placement of nitrogenous fertilizer in the form of pellets 2.5 to 5 cm deep between the rows of the paddy crop. The fertilizer is mixed with the soil in the ratio of 1:10 and made small pellets of convenient size to deposit in the mud and paddy fields. Thank you students। तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में उसके आगे पढ़ेंगे हम